It's an extremely well-known fact to as many as 20 people at Abbey Life that, as the rest of the staff are safely tucked up in their beds, the work of MSD operations at Somerford continues throughout the night to make sure that the Aladdin screens are ready for 7:30 each morning.
Oh, the moon is bright, schedule's tight, deep in the heart of Somerford.
2 a.m. and all's well.
Disaster, system failure.
Holy catastrophes, a system failure. Can we fix it?
No. But I know a man who can.
MSD Repairman here, offering a cheap, friendly, efficient 24-hour service to keep your systems running. How can I help you? Oh my God! You don't mean? Don't panic, I'm on my way. Got to go, darling.
Postman Pat, and his black and white cat.
Here I am, where's the problem?
Over there!
That should do it.
System okay.
Thanks, MSD Repairman. You're my hero. How can I ever thank you?
Don't worry, it's all in the line of duty. For I'm just one of a group of dedicated professionals with one common goal: to help you.
If you got a problem, don't care what it is. If you need a hand, we can assure you of this. We can help.
For 24 hours of every day, the staff of Management Services Division are committed to supporting the systems you use and providing the information you need to complete your daily workload. So whether you're answering customer inquiries, entering new business, servicing policies, providing quotations, accessing management information, designing new products, using printers, terminals, photocopiers or personal computers, or even just making a phone call, we're there to help you.